Hey guys, it's Bruce here again from Kai's Education. And in this video, we're going to be looking at variables and conditionals. So what is a variable? Well, a variable is like a box and it contains a certain number of KaiBots. Well, in this box, we're not sure how many KaiBots are there, but we would use a variable card to kind of check. So that's a kind of an example of what that is. So we know a variable as a container. And as the container, we can set how many KaiBots are going to be in our box. So we use the set variable to a number. So where you've got this green asterisk, we can add a number. So I'm going to say set variable to 3. And then I'm going to use another card after that where we're going to add a number to our existing variable. So here we say variable plus equals 2. That means that we take the variable and we add 2 to it. So that whatever the variable is, we're adding 2 to it. So the variable is currently 3, and we add 2, it's now 5. And then after that, if we run this again, now the variable is 5, we're going to add another 2 to it. So it's kind of like you can increment the value to the variable. And we've got that in a loop 5 times. So every time we're going to be adding 2 to that. And then next up, we've got a if statement. And the if statement is saying if the variable equals 13, so we're using the read variable card. If the variable is equal to 13, so that means if it's true, then we're going to change the color. Now we're not using the else card in this if statement, but that's okay. You can, it's optional. So you could say if it was true, then change it to blue. And if it was false, then change it to red. So you can also do that. So let's tap and program KaiBot. Set the variable to 3, loop 5 times, add 2 to the variable, end the loop. If the variable equals 13, then color mixer start, change the color to blue, end the color mixer, end the if statement, end the program, and run the program. We get a little countdown. Now pay attention to the top of the screen. You can see the current value of the variable is currently 5. And as the loop goes round, we're adding 2 to it. So 5, 7, 9, 11. Now it's going to run the if statement. And if the if statement is true, then it's going to be blue. So I hope that explained what a variable is and how we can read the variable and then how we can use color mixing to change colors on the robot. Another variation of this, we could actually make the end loop right at the end of the end if statement. So this way, as it's incrementing, we are checking the value to make sure it's true. There is another version of this code, and that is the repeat conditional function. So that would be using these red cards where we do a start repeat, a repeat until a condition is true. It's just another variation of it. With coding, there's more ways than one to solve the problem. Until next time, see you later.